Good morning, and it is the 4-minute morning for today, the second day of May 2018, and it is crypto day like always. I'm trying to get a chat room going. I think it is. I'm having a lot of problems within the Skype setup. I can't even join with my main account, but I can here. So if it works, it works. If not, sorry, not much I can do. I'm also on the third take of doing this video, as the first two times there was sound issues. I'm hoping it's working now. I'm going to cover the DXY, which on the daily chart had a situation where it resisted this key Fibonacci level on the 9th, 10th of January. Fell right down to the next key down support level. Hit it multiple times, and now it's rallied quickly up to this point. Seeing it on the weekly chart, this is how it looks from the big rally. And therefore, I would expect in situations like this that a market with a pattern amongst this level should have a test within the 18 average, either through price or through time, probably through price. Very rarely is this level not resistance. If it is, you could possibly find support and continue the trend up. But if it's not resistance and this goes higher, it could be very large green candles in comparison to what got you there in the first place. That's how I view the situation amongst technical analysis. Moving on to that of Bitcoin, which is priced in at a little over 9,000. On the daily chart, a high at about 20,000 around the 17th. Lower high January the 6th. Couple short-term lower highs in here. I don't want to count them really. I do want to count these two lower highs, whichever one you want to choose. They're both pretty much the same. If this thing does roll over, this would be lower high number 3. And this is coming off what was pretty much a matching low, so descending triangle patterns would still be in place. And as it stands, it's in the middle of this upward trend still, but it has had several opportunities to break above this resistance area field, and it has not done so yet. So that's where the weakness comes into place. Of course, as that situation happens, obviously a great potential for big gains. As far as these highs are concerned, we can see several lower highs, or higher lows rather. 400-minute time frame. I mean, this is a very beautiful trend. So if the reasons for the concern that I talk about with this rolling over, we can start to fill some of this gap with about 7,900 and change being where I would be expecting price action to fall towards. 7,900, 7,850-ish ballparks. I would expect it to pierce it extra lower. When we look at this on a 3-hour test, we got the low here at 86.50. It was the first one established when it got up here on April 21st. We can see it hit several times on 25th through the 26th. Almost came down to it on the 28th. And not less quite so before. So higher lows, however you want to look at it. I do realize that if it has weakness here, that it's going to go down to at least 88.33, down to its previous mark at about 8,600, as probably its original quick move lower on that situation. And then, of course, you could have no support in a spot like that, and then you have like 10-15 minutes later, it's at 8,000. Those are the wild situations that can occur practically at like any time within this game. Of course, you could have quick up moves as well too. That's really the nature of the beast. That is that of the cryptocurrency world. Thank you for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.